Your comfort zone is exactly what it sounds like, places or situations where you feel comfortable in. While there is nothing wrong with comfort zones, in order to expand our potential and succeed in life, we sometimes have to move out of our comfort zone and into unfamiliar territory. Only by pushing ourselves to do something new, or which we are afraid of, we can develop and improve ourselves. The first step to take in venturing outside of your comfort zone is to decide what it is you wish to change about yourself, or your life, the way you wish to go forward. Make a list of everything that you want to do or change, what you'd like to accomplish, the places you would like to visit, and what it is you want out of life. When you have determined your goals and objectives, you can then take the next step in making them reality. Here are just some of the ways in which you can step outside your comfort zone. Your self-image. How long is it since you last changed your appearance? For example, how long have you had the same hairstyle? You can begin stepping outside your comfort zone by making changes to your self-image. Try a different hairstyle, maybe a different color, and change the color of your makeup, shave off your beard or grow one. Choose a different style of clothing than you would normally wear or alter the color. There are many ways which you could make small alterations to your self-image, to give yourself a new look, and a new look at life. Stop and think if you are doing everything you possibly can, to look and feel your best, and give yourself a confidence boost by making positive changes to your self-image. Do something different. Make it a weekly goal to do something completely different, to what you would normally do. This can be anything, just to get you out of the rut you have put yourself in, and to widen your comfort zone, at least one day a week. Start off with making smaller changes at first. Go to a different restaurant for lunch, and order something from the menu which you have never tried. There are many ways you can make gradual small changes to your daily life. Take up a new hobby. Take up a new hobby in life. Choose something which is out of character and which will get you meeting new people and going to new places. Doing something different every week, and gaining a new interest, is an excellent way of moving out of your comfort zone. Meet your fears head on. Change is always frightening when we first step out into the unknown, but we can only improve upon ourselves and our lives by meeting and greeting our fears head on, and passing through the fear. Once we have met it head on, we find it isn't so frightening after all.